Alright boys, hope you guys enjoyed seeing the videos of when that was all in pieces and stuff. That was probably about 2 months ago. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to go over to my grandpa's house and fix the 18.6 and get that going. Took the brass float out of the 16 and I'm going to throw it in the 18.6 for the tractor show this weekend for Zagray. And then I'm going to buy another brass float and just put it back in this, and this is just going to get a new one. It's raining today, first rain that we've had in like probably 2 weeks. So I got to start up the truck. I'm, like I said, going over to my grandpa's house. So you'll get a start up clip of that. See, there you go. Yeah, buddy, truck's running good.